yourself. It's 284. What? Yeah, see what you can do. See, you can run straight in there.
Dude, no, wait. What? Yo!
Dude, where can you go?
I wonder how far I can walk away. I've never seen this. This is great. I wonder what it's... I think it's because I've walked in while the dude was on. So there's like a limit of the wall here.
See if you can go like underneath the portal and see if it like...
Yeah, look how far out I can really go.
Dude, look at this. I love how the sky is just both sides. It's just a reflection.
Oh yeah. I'm on this beautiful fire. Am I?
Looks like you are. Yeah, you definitely are. Feels just like, yo, what? Yo, where's my gun? Oh, okay, does it actually just disappear? Oh, I had my...
I think this
In all my years of playing this game, never seen this. Thought this was no out of bounds run. Well, you're missing out because this is the new way to do it. Yeah. See if you can like run underneath the portal. I want to see if like the portal just like is like a giant, just one like wall. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, it wouldn't be there if it
Well, I mean, I have it already. I'm just saying, in general. I mean, obviously, there's gonna be no use for this, and or any way for us to actually recreate it. No, I'm good. Okay, I'm full. I had those 2 burritos. No, it's fine. Yeah, I bought a bunch of. I bought like a bunch of chicken, and then I bought the pound of, well, not even like a pound of beef, but. I'm not as broke now. Definitely not as broke. I actually got my first paycheck for some reason, which is weird. So like I got a week worth of pay in like for some reason after like 2 weeks of work, and I was like really confused. It just sounds really. That's really weird to me. You just put glass. I can see your bullets. Yo, spaceships.
Look down. I fell down here.
You're underneath the...
Checkpoint.
Yo, wait, what? Hold up, what? Yo.
What?
What is this? Dude, what the fuck is this? There has to be like...
What is their gun? This is all easy and kind of... What? Oh my... Kinda crazy right now.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh wait, I got ammo, didn't I?
Don't go down there yet.
No, I'm not going up.
Oh, this is the area during the hard mission.
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, I guess that's why I don't remember it at all.
Yeah, that explains that.
I've done it like once in my life. I always get to Neo Tokyo and just say fuck this shit. I hate Neo Tokyo as a kid.
And die?
Oh, go for it.
Not the left part. So you can still forget.
Well, yeah, you're back in the level at this point. See if you can fucking do it again. I just want to see how to if we can get that out of bounds just for shits and giggles. Like I said, I still don't think it'd be like viable for anything. You still have to make it. You still have to make it into here to get the time crystal.
Is there any
What do you mean? I don't think there's any of that. That's the beginning of the level, right? Look to your... Oh no, that's it's right by the beach, the first beach.
Is it?
Yeah.
Further down?
Yeah. I mean, you're back in the level at this point. You're back at the beginning.
Yeah. Kind of sound them out of it.
I want to see I want to see if I stand in this again. That seemed to be what happened. I was like still in it, but you were trying to go through.
Oh, like you're gonna stand there. Yeah, you need to like fresh go in and then come out. You go in and then
Right out. Right again. Yeah, I don't think it's like anything that we can actually do things with.
we can do it at the same time. Like we both like we're trying to use the teleport function at the same time.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Brings one of us in.
What would one person go in?
3, 2, 1. I don't think it's anything. I literally think it was just a one-time glitch.
I think, well, we should rewatch it at some point.
Because even with you standing in, it's just pushing me out of it.
But I think it might have been intended.
With the enemy spawning in. Maybe. Yeah, because that's the time we want.